Hi everybody, this is Urbansweetheart Teresa, and I'm coming at y'all today with a new review. Thank you for all my positive feedbacks I've been receiving lately, especially on that like some type of twist wig. See, this is why I do this channel. This is exactly why I do it, because I was afraid, not necessarily afraid, I was cautious on buying that unit because I didn't see any reviews on it. I was like, I'm not sure. But I said, this is why I do this, so you don't have to waste your money. So when I see other influencers do their videos, I don't have to waste my money if I see nah, or I'll be like, oh shoot, let me hurry up and jump on this. And I just seen one of the influencers I watched, I think it's Wigs and Wanderlust. Oh my goodness, I felt so bad for her. She told the story about her attempt to do a giveaway for some units, and it was a mess. I sat there with my little drink and snack, and I'm watching. I'm like, oh my goodness. You know, I did do one time a giveaway, and I thought about doing another one. She told that with people trying to get other people's information, scamming them. I was like, no, I can't do that again. So once I figure out how she does it, when she does it again, and be able to give it away without having the problem she had, and she was like, people were talking bad about her because somebody made a video stating that they didn't, that she scammed them, and the comments weren't good. I felt so much like for her, you know, but I get her props for going ahead doing the contest, well, the giveaway, and keeping your head up. Don't go hiding. Keep your head up. Anyway, with that being said, we have this unit today. I haven't seen any reviews on it. Bobbi Boss. This is synthetic unit. What is it? Kellan M1503. I have it in a TB1B/red. I have it in a T1B/30. Did I say T1B? I don't know if I said TB, but T1B. And I have it in the silver color, which is T1B/60. I don't know. I was feeling this unit. It couldn't have been more than $12 to $14. It couldn't have been more than that, because ain't no way I got all three of these. Now I put on something casual today. Hopefully it goes with all the different colors. So with my lighting, stop it. And y'all want to start with the red one first, or get the silver out the way. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing any more silvery gray units, because I don't really be getting no feedback like I thought I would for this doing these colors. Like I'm not getting the views and stuff. So maybe I'll just go back to my usual blondes and stuff. But no, this is looking grandma-ish right out the pack. But I know you can fix it. I know y'all can. Even if I can't, I know y'all can. I'm gonna have faith in y'all. All right, let me do the inside of the cap. No combs. We got adjustable tabs. We have no lace in the front. Be clear on that now. No lace in the front. We have the adjustable straps on the side. In the back, this is what the cap is looking like. All right. I'm going to pause this a minute because I'm making sure my camera is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I think I did a better job last time. Woo! It's been a while, probably like almost 4 months or so since I had put on lashes. I know them lashes were looking a hot mess. I tried not to say nothing. Every time I looked at the video, I was like, Teresa, do better, do better. All right, so we have specialty colors. And let's see what this one's looking like. This is from my mature ladies. I took a look like, nah, maybe not, because I've seen a lot of younger females wearing gray wigs. Don't forget, you got the bendable ear tabs. Now, I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. You know how to do a little loosening of curls. Oh, shoot, this look nice. This would be a nice spring into summer wig. Maybe you know how to cut a little bit. Maybe I'll take a little bit of this out and get it going. Definitely gonna have some spray, holding spray or something, depending what you're trying to do. But oh man, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Could be a fun date night, fun afternoon. So I'm seeing something in the afternoon outing. Don't forget the backs. People sometimes they fluff and fix up the front and forget about that back of that unit. Then you be having flat or it's looking crazy. Forget about the top. Now, one of these units I'm kind of like comb through, but this I'm just pulling. I don't really want to mess up the curls because I think it's cute with the curls. It's big head friendly, got a lot of room. I think on the side, you know, you got to have them braids, cornrows laid down. But in the back, if you slick it down and put a little bun, y'all see me. I'll move that. Got a lot of room back there. So it's big head friendly. You got a small head, get you one of them grip bands. See, now this is the thing, when you start keep messing with it, now you got to go fixing curls to get them to stay together. You don't have to start cutting. But I like this. Let me make sure it's where my hairline, yep, where my hairline's supposed to be. I like this. Even with no hair on the side, just do a little bit of that, like get it laying down. Wind catch you. Let me do this side. Because this side, you ain't got to be ashamed. This side was looking a little bit mess. Just pull it down. I like to pull it toward the front. If you want to, secure it with a pin or something. But you ain't got to be ashamed if the wind catch you. You out living life, having fun. I like it. I like it. Let's go around. I like it. It's beautiful. All right, let's do the next color. Okay, next we have the red. And as you can see, it is a vibrant, beautiful red. It's not burgundy. It is red. And it's all throughout the unit. You have no dark rooting. So if you want to make you some dark roots, give it a try. The same cap construction as the gray one. So I'm not going to adjust anything. Okay, if you like red, you have it back from the natural hairline would be. Now these combs, the points is coming up here, so it's not coming all the way down to my ear. And I told you, rustle around on these sides. Definitely, you'd have to do a little playing if you wanted to have it back, maybe, you know, with a comb or something, one of those barrette things or whatever they call them things. This is probably one I'm going to comb through. Nah, I ain't going to comb through this way. I'll finger comb. I'll do a good finger combing. But I want to show y'all first what it looks like. Now, this one, the other one was like, you almost could just wear it out the package. With that little bit of finger, and I did hairspray to keep it in place, you could go. This one don't look like it's going to be the same. But if you like red, you know how to play in a wig. You could make something really happen with this. And actually get a red. A lot of times they be saying red, they be looking burgundy. Trust me when I tell you this is red. Right now, for this purpose with these units, I'm just trying to do a Afro curly style, you know, blowout, Afro blowout. So if I had my pick, maybe I would have picked through it. But I think my son then stole my pick. Look at them fat arms. I'm trying. I'll be doing this exercise. Well, I have my hands close together. Be doing that. You see that? See how I was trying to do it? Look. I know y'all said, girl, we didn't come here for that. I'll be sharing with y'all. All right, so I just did a simple, trying to do my afro. Get my afro going. All right. Might want to cut a little bit in that back because it seemed like when I'm lifting it, it's really big. So maybe you want to cut it and adjust it. All right, with that being said, see, this is why I never, you see how that's looking? This is why I'd never be like, comb certain wigs out. Because unless you want to get just a few wears out of it, what you going to do, re-rod it and set it again? Once you take that, the fineness of the curl, I guess you could, if you wanted them types, you want to comb a little bit through it and put some setting lotion and some curls. You could every day or once a week reset the curls how you want it. But that definition, all that's going out the window. And you definitely got to, now you got to start snipping and cutting or hairspray to try to get it how you want. Not bad. For what it's worth, look at that color. I like it. Now don't go trying to put no red lip with this. No, this is the star. This is the star. No red lip with the red hair. Don't do it. This is the last one right here. This is the T1B/30. So it's like what? Auburn type color. All right. I like this, like a soft. If you had just a little more blonde streak, it could be like a honey blonde. And I like how it's not just a flat, everything is like all that color. It's different layered effect of the coloring throughout. So it's just not heavy. It actually has highlights and lowlights. All right. With that being said, y'all see my hair? It look like, I ain't gonna tell you what I'm using yet, but it look like it's trying to grow in. Now I've been still cutting it about every 2 weeks. I cut it back down, but this is not looking that bad up at the top. All right, I'm gonna tell y'all. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Give me a little more time. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm using. Okay? Okay, don't be mad. Don't be mad. Right there in the hairline. Boom, right there. This one is a little more compact. Again, the things is not coming down to the ear. They're coming right here in front of it. So do what y'all do. Make that work. I felt like the gray one was the only one that had like big bouncy curls. This one definitely is very tightly curled, which is not a bad thing. If you want, you could just try to be scrunching it like I'm doing. Get a tight curl. But I know y'all gonna, girl, if you don't comb them curls off, so all right. I ain't got to beat me over the head. But again, these would be great. You go on some type of event where you want to have an afro type effect. This is gonna give it to you. Nice, and the way the curls are, you see, like if it's windy or something now, or even it's hot, your curls not gonna fall. And the wind is not gonna have your hair just going every which way. It's gonna be easy just to go like this and go about your business, and you still will have that big old curly fro. This is feeling so loose in the back. I want to tighten the straps up, but I'm not. So I keep pulling that down. So I might with this put on a wig grip just to make sure it stays in place and start traveling all over the place. All right, with that being said, that's all I'm going to do to this one because I might wear it somewhere. So I'm going to put it back in the package so I can do all the shaping. And I haven't noticed, I had to check so great. No bunch of shedding. That's really the plus right there. I don't know. Do they have this in 613? No. The colors I seen, the red one I did, the gray one, number 60. They got an all 60. You know what? Y'all gonna say I'm stupid, but I'm not. The T1B. I forgot all about that. Now the red one, you really, to me, couldn't tell it was T1B, but I guess it was in there. T1B is down at the root, right? Okay. So the T1B, I noticed that in the 60 because it was like salt and peppery looking. The red one, I really didn't notice it. This one, that you can tell is a very good mix of color. They also have a 27, which is going to be lighter, T1B 27. They have a FS4 2730, that might be hot. They got an all 60, so you just want to go all gray. And then they have a 3T 2, I believe it's 280. So you girls with the salt and pepper, y'all can experiment with them joints. Like I said, I like this. A little short afro with one of my shirts. I'm out at the cookout. I'm that favorite auntie. Let me stop lying. My niece and nephews don't love me. They don't love me. You know, you got one of them aunties that's be speaking their mind. And a lot of people don't like that. And then I try to give wisdom. But nowadays, they don't just take it and just, either they're going to listen or they're going to listen down the road and be like, dang, she was right. No, they want to cuss you and bless you out. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. They don't take stuff like they used to. You would just roll your eyes or, all right, auntie, and go and sit down somewhere. No, they won't get up in your face and then you got to decide, is you going to entertain that nonsense from somebody down here, meaning younger than you, or are you going to rise above it? Be like, you do you. I was just trying to, in my goodness of my heart, talk to you, and you don't want to listen. Don't listen. I like this one. Just that color. I like it. And I know y'all, some of y'all, like, girl, you don't comb that thing out. Yeah, I would. If I really was going to wear this somewhere, yeah, I'm going to loosen these curls up more. But didn't I tell y'all I'm trying to hold it to the spring? And I'm put on a nice little outfit with it. I got a shirt right now. I know I'll wear with it. Is denim still in? Sorry, Teresa. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is the unit again. Bobbi Boss. The Stunna series. The Stunna series. Come on, give me my light. The Stunna series. And it's M1503 Kellan. What y'all think? This is not the 60. This is the 30. I like it.